Hello guys, welcome back to No Russians Allowed Dota 2 channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys my profile. What have I been doing so far? So I'm going to show you most successful heroes that I played. You can see that I prefer Pudge. Pudge is my favorite hero. I mean, I have about a bit 60% win rate, something like that. Not too bad. Juggernaut is the hero that I play the best, there's no doubt about it. If you ask any of my mates that play with me, if you ask them what would they like me to play that game, they would all say Juggernaut. Ancient Apparition, I'm very good with the Ancient Apparition's ulti. I love playing it. I love those skill shots. Skill shots are what makes this game interesting. Storm Spirit is not the most successful hero that I played, as you can see, but I love playing it. I love zipping around left and right, doing stuff. Nature's Prophet, very bad score, but it comes mostly to the team. You can't do it solo. I'm not doing bad with it, especially in last couple of games I did very good. Bounty Hunter is the hero that I had some really nasty games with. I'm playing him very good, but as it always is, it depends on the team, how the team is in general. Of course, sometimes I fuck up. It's not easy to play Bounty Hunter. But I had one rampage at minute 10 with Bounty Hunter. Imagine that, minute 10, while I didn't have any farm whatsoever. I was on par with levels with enemy team, so nothing special there, and I got a rampage. Huskar, I love playing Huskar. Very fun character to play, to micro healing and damage dealing task. Love it. But anyway, not to comment every single hero here, I will just scroll to the bottom and show you guys my stats with some of these heroes. I love playing Lycan. Lycan is very fun. Slark too. You can see I have a pretty high win rate with Slark. Nyx Assassin also I'm doing very good. Riki I haven't played in a long time. I played him only at the beginning, and I had one challenge for Compendium, so I had to play him. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good with Ursa too, which is surprising. Zeus, Spectre, you can see these stats. These carries, I'm actually a very okay carry player. I played before carries all the time, but now I don't play them as much as I used to, because I find farming the whole game boring. I love to fight, so that's why I love to play middle and off lane. Those are my two favorite positions. I like to play also support occasionally, just to add that to the pool. I like to keep things interesting, diverse. Sven. Sven is my worst hero. I don't know how to play Sven. I'm usually good with ranked heroes, but this guy, no. I don't know how to play with him. And Clockwork, oh my god, I don't know why. I need to learn how to play Clockwork, because right now it's not looking so good. And here are the heroes that I played the least. Troll, Warlord, 0-4, I haven't won. I don't know how to play him. I have 3-1 with Luna. I don't know when I played Luna. Morphling 1-3, Phantom Lancer 1-3. Magnus, I don't remember that I played Magnus at all. Tinker 2-1. When did I play Tinker? Disruptor 1-2. Well, these are the heroes that I... Okay, I'm going to tell you now the heroes that I really don't know how to play. This Earth Spirit, Outworld Devourer. Actually, I never played Outworld Devourer. I'm guessing it's not that hard. Gyrocopter also I never played. Batrider I'm actually, you can see 3-0. I'm not that bad, but I haven't played him a lot. I haven't played him in a long time. Naga Siren, not that hard. Enchantress, yeah, I'm not really good with Enchantress. These are basically the heroes that I don't play at all. Ember Spirit I've learned how to play, but I haven't played a single match with him. I played this one, but it was an abandon of some kind, so I had no chance of doing anything. Treant Protector, Leshrac, Elder Titan. That would be it, guys. I mean, this is overall what I've been playing and what I've been sucking at and what I've been good at. These heroes that I played the least are going to have to come in the mix sooner or later. Brewmaster, I know how to play him. Brewmaster is pretty fun. Templar Assassin, I've learned how to play him too. I don't know, we shall see what happens. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that I've shown you guys something you would be interested in, like my stats. You can see my wins, my losses, my abandoned. That would be it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and see you guys in one of the next videos.